Hello everyone. In this video, I will explaining the advantages of two popular platforms used in machine learning, Google Colab and Anaconda Navigator. Both are powerful tools that help students, researchers, and professionals build, train, and test machine learning models. So first, we will discuss about Google Colab. Just check in Gmail account. With the help of Gmail account, you can log in Google Colab. So in this screen, you can see that this like one window is coming. Here you have to create a new notebook. A blue screen tab is there. So clicking here, you have to come in a new window. So this like one window is coming. The main options are file, edit, view, insert, run, tools. Many options are available. You can change your project name here. It comes in untitled. You can change it as someone. So this like you can change your project name. The advantages of Google Colab is it is a free cloud-based platform provided by Google. You do not need to install anything on your computer. You just open browser and sign in with Google and start coding. So Google Colab come with pre-installed libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, and more. Another advantage is it is free accessible GPU and TPU is available. It helps speed up the machine learning and which especially useful for deep learning projects. And collaboration is also very easy. In it also using for small and large type projects, everything run on cloud environment. You can work with any devices, laptop, desktop, or even tablet without worrying about hardware limitations. So here one example, some code I will put in here. So you have to this like one plus code is coming. This area you can put any code. So one example I will provide in here. So just run this code. It is a symbol array. It is a symbol array. So in this array, some values are there. Just adding each value plus 5. So we will getting that result and mean also calculating. So here I am using some DS and ML libraries. NumPy is using here and also pandas is using, matplotlib is using. These are commonly using machine learning and data science libraries. These libraries, inbuilt libraries helping for providing this type of result. So here I created one bar chart, some names are there, some score is there, just putting that values, one student bar chart is preparing. It also one pie chart also I will prepare based on these values. So this like a simple projects we can very easily created by Google Colab. Next we will go to another tool. Its name is called the Anaconda Navigator. So this tool environment is this like coming. Anaconda is a desktop-based software distribution for Python and R, mainly focused on data science and machine learning. The advantage is that it comes with a package manager called Conda. Here many tools are available. It is a package. PyCharm is available. Then Jupyter Notebook is available here. VS Code is available. RStudio is available. So many machine learning related tools combined together like a package coming Anaconda Navigator. It is an offline software. Without internet, you can use Anaconda Navigator. Big projects or heavy projects, you have to use this tool is most suitable. It provides a notebook, slider, and other IDE directly inside the navigator. You can choose your preferred environment. It is an offline work. Here we have using in offline work, but Google Colab is an online tool. It allow you to create separate virtual environment. Advantage is a different project we can same time working possible here. Different environment creating. This means you can work with multiple machine learning project without library clashing with each other. Another advantage is that it also run on your CPU or GPU based on the power of your machine. So here one example I will providing. So in this environment, I am using Jupyter Notebook. So here launch icon is there. Just clicking here, it open in your browser. So localhost one tree structure, it is coming here. This like one page is coming. Your different projects you can see in a tree structure here. So new project means just clicking here, then go through terminal or Python, then one environment coming. So this like one page is coming here. Here also you can change your project name. Same like in Google Colab. So I change it. Same example I will here also try here. So same result is coming. Bar chart we can create, pie chart creating, different colors given for this pie chart. In this code also different colors, sky blue, light green, orange pie. So this pie chart providing score based on names and the colors also. Pie chart different quadrant how different color is giving here. So here also inbuilt libraries are there, but that libraries we need to install previously, then only it working, otherwise it creates some errors. So this like result, the same result is here also you can generate. So the total conclusion is Google Colab is a cloud-based free excellent tool for beginners. Anaconda Navigator is a local, powerful and perfect managing multiple environment and large project with the full control. So thank you for watching and I hope this video is helpful for your projects. Just subscribe more videos, please subscribe.